Hello everyone. If you want to clean Google Maps cache and get data on an Android device, here's how to do that. So first of all, you are to open up your settings, of course. Let's open up our settings. Here they are. After that, we are to locate our apps section. There it is. Now, let's go through the list of the applications. We gotta find our maps. So press see all and simply scroll down to your maps. Usually it's quite easy to find them because everything is in alphabetical order here, at least on my phone. All right, here we are. Those are our maps. Let's choose them. Great. After that, you're to find your storage and cache option. Here it is. So first of all, let's press clear cache. It'll clean the cache, which is kind of obvious what it does. Now let's press clear storage. This may delete some apps data, including files and settings, and unlikely they're gonna be permanently deleted from the device. So if you're gonna do this, it will reset the app data if you added a little bit of wrong app data, right? However, this will log you out. Most likely on some phone it's not logging you out. However, it will definitely reset your preferences. So let's confirm our choice, and now let's simply open up our Google Map once again. Okay, the wrong account opened. Just bring it up, opened on the previous account. Let's check on the preferences. So let's press settings and let's check edit home or work. All right, so our home and work preference were set. Basically, I think it's only like deletes your minor changes, which is actually nice. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.